Hi, welcome back. Dave Lawson with another Spotlight feature video. Today, we're going to talk about a nice little item that most people don't understand what it is, and it is our 7-way power cord keeper. Conveniently located here on the A-frame side of your trailer, it's a convenient way to store and place your power cord without having to have it in the elements. Simply what you're going to do is you're going to take your 12-volt power cord and it just slides here into the cord keeper. Again, very convenient for not having your power cord laying in the mud, the dirt, or the elements as you're camping.